Good morning. Today is the last day of the month. It is January 31st, 2025, and I ended the month on an L. So, yeah, let's go over what trade I took today. So, I took a buy on S&P on ES, and as you can see, stop loss hit. And I entered right here at the 13 EMA break. I did like the way this setup looked because we entered above the EMAs and the SMA, so the 50 SMA and then the 13 EMA we closed above, so I had a good feeling that maybe it would just keep pushing up. But also on the 15-minute, we had this 15-minute demand that it went off from right here. So this 15-minute demand tapped, and then it was, the rejection looked really good on it. And so that was another confluence. On the 1 hour, we're pretty bullish. I mean, we're just, we're uptrending. On the 4 hour, there's not much going on in the 4 hour. I mean, I had a feeling that we could keep going up and to touch this supply, but also it's the 4 hour, so it's just, it wasn't much. And also on the 1 hour, on the daily, the candle was bullish, so I was thinking that maybe we might just keep pushing up. Also on the 1 minute, while I was in this trade, looked good. On the 1 minute, it was like during this time right here where I was in. So this kind of looks like a double bottom, which is a confluence of a reversal pattern going to the upside. So this double bottom right here made me think like, okay, we might keep pushing up, and it just looked good at the moment. But I was in this trade for about like 15 minutes. It was just playing, these two candles right here were just playing around a lot. They were rejecting, and after this was the 9 o'clock candle right here, this big one. Ooh, this big one. So I was already debating, like, if we close below the EMAs, I might get out and cut my loss early, but it didn't do that. I just like straight up went down and just hit my stop loss. So I lost $50 on this trade, and it's fine. I mean, I put in 2 contracts, and I am 101 for the week. I did finish the week in profit, which is good for me. That matters a lot to me. But yeah, I did end this whole month in the negative, though. This whole month has been really tough. I am definitely in drawdown, but it's okay. I mean, I feel like January was a hard month for a lot of people, at least from the experience that I've been seeing online and just on my Discord and everything. Just everyone has also been going through a similar experience with January. But I am just happy to go into a new month too and see what that brings me. I think it's always exciting to just like start fresh in a new month or a new week, even a new day. So yeah, I'll be back Monday. And to be honest, I did like this trade. I think the only thing that I was kind of would like to consider later in the future while I'm trading is the price action wasn't the best. If we look at it, it's not really a clear trend. I mean, yeah, like we're breaking higher highs, we're, and also the EMAs looked good while we entered the trade. We were rejecting nicely. We have these nice rejections on the candles, but also I did see that we did have this demand up below with a gap. So who knows if it wanted to reach here and then push back up. But yeah, today was an L, and that's okay though, because next week is a new week and it's a new month as well, so it's very exciting. And hopefully next month will be a better month. I mean, I no expectation, of course, but as long as I follow my rules and follow my plan, which I have been really good at. And like I said, it doesn't feel bad when you lose on trades that you like. You don't feel emotions much when you take trades that align with your plan. And and that's why losses just don't affect me as much as they used to when I used to lose on trades that didn't align with my plan and my everything that I want to see. Because when I do take trades that don't align with that, I do tend to feel a little bit of shame, like, why, what am I doing? I'm just setting myself back. I'm going forward but then going 2 steps back. But it's okay though, as long, like I said, you just have to keep going. Like, you can't let your losses get to you, because they're going to happen. No one can make them stop and only be 100% win rate. But yeah, that was it for today. Like I said, today's the last day of the month, and it's a Friday, which pretty good to end on a Friday, the last day. But all right, I will see you guys next week, and hopefully you guys did make some money today. And if not, there is next week, and we have a whole new month ahead of us. So yeah, bye.